guys, welcome to Linux Learning. Today I will going to show you how you can use Vim editor in Linux distribution of Centos and Rhel. Okay, so first the question arises that what is Vim? Vim is an improved version of the VI editor distributed with Linux and Unix system. Vim is highly configurable and efficient for practiced user. It has many features like split screen editing, color formatting and highlighting for editing text. So I will demonstrate how you can use Vim. Okay, for using Vim, we just have to use command Vim followed by the file name with any extension. Okay, so the file name, let us keep the file name as file. Okay, now we are entered into the mode of Vim, shell of Vim. Okay, so Vim works on three mode: command mode, insert mode and exit mode. Okay, so command mode, what is command mode? Command mode is used to run command in Vim editor like copy, paste, search, delete, undo. Okay, and insert mode, what about insert mode? It is used to enter or edit text and for cursor movement within file. Okay, for if you have to write in the into this file, you have to have to use insert mode. For you can use I. Okay, by pressing I you can get into the insert mode, and pressing many keys like I, small a, small o, capital I, capital O and capital O, you go into the insert mode. And if you have press escape, you use to exit from the insert mode. Okay, firstly we have to write something in this, so I will press I and write something. I will write Linux world. Okay, I have write into the file. Now I have to quit from it. I have by pressing escape I have quitted from the insert mode, and now it's I have to exit from this shell, so I have to go into the exit mode. Okay, exit mode is used to save and exit the file. Okay, if you press colon and Q, you just quit from the file without writing into it. That means that this file is not saved, just you are quitting from it. And if you are writing W and Q, colon WQ, so it means that write and quit. And one command also use write. Okay, Q exclamation is used for exit forcefully and abandon changes, and WQ exclamation is used for save and exit forcefully. Okay, now we are using write and quit. Okay, again we are opening that file. Okay, okay, let's skip to the command mode. For the use of command mode, let me open some file, say vim/etc/fstab. okay, fstab, it is a file where I am using command mode. If we have to copy, if we have to paste, if we have to search, delete, undo anything, we can use command mode. In command mode, if I have to copy 5 lines, if I have to copy these 2 lines, if I have to copy these 2 lines, so I have to use a command to yy. I have pressed 2 yy and I have to paste it. I have pressed P and these 2 lines are copied. If I have to copy a word, okay, in Vim copy is copy is also known as yank. How many line you have to copy, just press that and just press YY, means yank. Then just press P, you can paste. And in Vim, delete is also known as cut. Okay, so I will provide all the notes in the description box. I will quit from it without writing into it because it's my system file. If I write into it, then it's very dangerous. Okay, no right, since last changes add exclamation to override, means I have to quit it forcefully without writing into it. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.